Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I did my exhaust. I do not claim to be a welder at all. I can put two pieces of metal together. So oh yeah, also too, remember when I said I couldn't wait to get back home? Well look, there's snow here too. What in the world is going on? I'm down here in the south in Louisiana. We hardly ever get snow, and we got snow. Well, let's get to this video.
Make sure you wear eye protection. Don't be an idiot like me. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be working on the exhaust. We're gonna be working on the downpipe and hopefully getting the rest of the exhaust on, and then we're gonna move on to the cold side and the intercooler. If you're just now joining us, we got a previous video up here where we did the timing cover and the oil lines, and then before that we did the turbo manifold, crossover, and turbo. So I'm not really a welder, but I know how to put two pieces of metal together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be working on the V-band and getting the downpipe welded to the V-band and see if we can't make it work. We're taking the exhaust all the way back to the back of the truck, and then we're gonna install cutouts. So let's get to it.
Alright, so this video is getting boring real fast, so I figured I'd step in and kind of explain what I'm doing, because when I'm recording, I kind of have the tendency to just kind of continue working and not really explain or do anything really. So what I used was a 45-degree angle pipe, a 90, and I believe about 6 inches of a straight pipe, and that made the down pipe. Quick question for you guys. We haven't came up with a name for our project yet, so if you guys have any
came up with so far,
if you guys have any suggestions, comment down below, and the person that we pick, we'll send you guys a gift for helping us come up with a name. It's cutting away pipe. Another question, what do you guys recommend for a muffler? We were thinking about going with the boiler attack muffler, but it's a little bit too loud for me, and I kind of want to keep it sleeper.
make sure you wear eye protection. Don't be an idiot like me.
I kind of want to keep it, sleeper while I'm cruising, and then install a cutout. But I want to get a little bit of sound from it, so put your recommendations down in the comments below.
Alright guys, it's the next day for me. Maybe the same video for y'all depending on how I want to edit it. It's been raining down here in the south. I'm trying to get some work done. First I gotta stop by UPS, drop off some stuff that was the wrong part, and then we'll get back to getting
what?
We'll get back to getting finished.
Sure does stutter a lot, don't he?
Just got back from the store and it is pouring down rain. This is ridiculous. Hopefully, if it stops raining enough, I can get this thing to where I can move it and get it down to the shop and we can work on it there. This is getting ridiculous.
Alright, so I marked the spots where I wanted to put my O2 sensors, the wide band and the narrow band. and then I used a step drill bit to drill out the holes, and I also used I'll link it down in the description, these O2 bungs that I got. They're made out of stainless steel. So in case you guys couldn't tell, this is the section of pipe that goes from the downpipe all the way out to the back of the truck. And then, like I said, I just threw a muffler on there for now, so it doesn't sound as good as I want it to sound. It's just something to get on there so it wasn't, you know, way too loud driving around town. We live in a really quiet neighborhood, so.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Stay tuned for the next one where we'll be doing the intercooler and the intercooler piping, and then hopefully we'll be able to get some test runs under boost and get the tuning process started. So, all right, catch you on the next one.